यहाँ से कैसे बड़े हुआ था आई थिंक एक ब्रेकअप के बाद, जब ऐसा लगा कि यार ये तो सोचा था कि दिस इज इट वाला होता है ना कि ये फुल स्टॉप था, अब फुल स्टॉप के बाद डॉट 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 आगे बढ़ना है. What is your opinion on character actors?
My opinion, I think as a category, it doesn't make any sense.
When was the last time you had a breakup?
हमारे एक टर्म है अड़मूंजी, मतलब क्राई फेस.
क्या है?
अड़मूंजी.
अड़मूंजी.
मूंजी मतलब फेस थोड़ा.
अड़मूंजी.
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 So एक रोंदू फेस.
A lot of the people that ask you how are you don't really want to know how you are. Hi guys, I'm Harleen Sethi.
I am Gulshan Devaya.
We are at Yuva.
Oh,
we are the Yuva.
I've been dying.
हाँ, क्या मूवी थी और क्या गाने थे? नहीं? तो आज हम एक गेम खेलने वाले हैं जिसका नाम है Friendly. Like you can see, I have a very friendly person with me.
Yes.
So I'm going to get to know you better.
I believe this is inspired by that.
You believe, but you really hurt somebody because you didn't know the reference of it.
Yeah, it's from Wonder Years, na? Wonder Years. Cheers.
So anyway, so I'm going to get to know him better today, and we're going to ask each other these very interesting questions.
Yeah.
तो मैं पहले पूछूं?
Yeah. Hey.
Unpopular.
Yeah. You first. Boss first.
सबसे पहले तो social media का मैं पूछती हूँ ये.
She plays my boss in Bad Cop. She's the SHO, but she's also married to me, so we play husband and wife. Plus, she's the boss also in Bad Cop.
Thanks.
Bad Cop. Did I say Bad Cop?
Yes, you did, but you didn't see.
Bad Cop. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when we come for you? Bad Cop.
अच्छा, इस पे इसको स्कोर मत करना, ठीक है? Okay. Who would you hire as a social media manager from the industry? I think I would hire. Actually, I know my answer, but I will answer after you. Bad Cop. You have to be fast. ये क्या है? इसमें भी स्कोर इसका मार्क्स काटना.
Really, I think I'm not really sure. Yeah, Alia Bhatt.
Alia Bhatt as a social media manager.
Yeah, because she'll be very expensive, so people will think I'm very rich. Then I can afford Alia Bhatt as my social media manager.
हाँ, ऐसे तो मेरा वाला भी expensive होगा.
तो इसीलिए लेगा.
My social media manager would be Karan Johar. Because everyone knows that he can make and break lives. He knows how to do it all. He's a master of PR.
Alia, मैं तेरे साथ.
Karan Johar, sir.
Yeah. Unpopular choices, movies.
Unpopular choices, movies.
जो मूवी आपको पसंद है तो पूरी दुनिया समझती है हग्गू मूवी है, लेकिन आपको बहुत
हग्गू वाला मुझे नहीं पता, बट अभी मैंने रिसेंटली मंथन जब वापस रिलीज हुई थी
तो मैंने it has to be an unpopular choice.
Unpopular choice.
मंथन कैसे
unpopular choice? It was supposed to be an arty film at that time, right? क्या गाना है उसका? मंथन का गाना क्या था?
पक्का पॉइंट्स कटने वाला है.
पक्का मिल रहा है मुझे. मंथन फिल्म हेरिटेज फाउंडेशन ने जो काम किया ना और उसको जैसे फिल्म को हमें वापस दिखाया गया, मुझे बहुत मजा आया देख के. आई डोंट नो इफ इट वाज अ पॉपुलर और अनपॉपुलर चॉइस. आई थिंक जितना मैंने सुना है, इट यूज्ड टू बी कॉल्ड एन आर्टी फिल्म. उस जोन में उसको रखते थे वो.
Fine, you're entitled to your opinion.
Okay, so yeah, so I think I would say Manthan.
It's a subjective medium, so it's fine, subjective opinion. Tashan, most people really hated that film. I absolutely loved it. I thought people didn't get it. मेरे को ऐसे parody film लगा था वो कि Vijay Krishna Acharya has made a parody film on all the formulas of the 80s and 90s. I absolutely loved it. It was a very entertaining film. Yeah, that's my unpopular choice. Yes, mental health में घुस जाते हैं. घुस ही जाते हैं. Have you ever sought therapy?
I have actually. My mom is a therapist herself. She's a counselor / psychologist. So घर पे सारा टाइम therapy चलती रहती है मेरी. But उसके अलावा I did seek therapy. मैंने 2 सेशन लिए. But वो एक सेशन में इतना कमाल हो गया, फिर एक सेशन मैंने ऐसे ही ले लिया. तो मैं सही हो गई. उसने basically he kind of went to like the childhood. वही करते हैं ना सारे थेरेपिस्ट की, चाइल्डहुड में क्या हुआ था ये वो, एंड देन उन्होंने सारी कैलकुलेशन की और उन्होंने मुझे एक एफर्मेशन दी जो मुझे बोलनी थी. और उन्होंने बोला पूरा दिन जितनी बार याद है उतनी बार वो एफर्मेशन बोलना. सो वो एफर्मेशन थी, आई चूज टू लव माई सेल्फ अनकंडीशनली इन एवरी मोमेंट एंड एवरी सिचुएशन ऑफ माई लाइफ. So I used to keep saying that, and my life just changed. I mean, in the sense that I just was much better, is feeling better, and started loving myself more.
Yeah, I have sought therapy. No, I didn't think that I need therapy. मुझे लगा सिर्फ philosophy से काम हो जाएगा. But then I met a therapist and I thought it was useful. तो उन्होंने एक बात, I've had many therapists. Change हो गए.
क्यों ऐसे? आपने
Some
भगा
I
दिया
didn't.
therapist को?
No, I just didn't. After a point, I felt that like कि इतना useful नहीं हो रहा है. I should try something new. So I'm working with a therapist. She lives in Delhi. But my first therapist जो थी, she made me realize that I can get really snap. जब मुझे I can hurt people with what I say. I can be very hurtful. And usually it's as in वो expect नहीं कर सकते कि इतना आगे होगा. So she made me realize that I knew that I can do it, and it can be really bad, but I didn't know what was triggering that. So she made me realize that I hurt people when I am hurt. So if मतलब hurt feel कर रहा हूँ, मतलब अनजाने में किसी ने जाने भी में किसी ने hurt किया, अनजाने में किसी ने hurt किया, कुछ भी हो सकता है. But when I feel hurt, I tend to have this hurt back, and that's the intensity of that is like a lot. And it made perfect sense to me, and I understood why this trigger happens, and I'm mindful of when I'm hurt now because I can feel that urge to want to say something
nasty,
nasty to somebody and all that, and it can be really pretty bad. And it's
so she made you aware.
Usually, I'm very embarrassed soon after.
Chalo, Meera, I want pick one career. Please call me. What's your restart moment?
I had an accident, skiing accident, and I like really badly damaged my knee, and it needed to like surgical replacement of the ligaments and all. So काफी बुरा हो गया. So at that point of time, I thought that I think my career has come to a stop right now for some time. I need to take the time off because it was pretty bad. Muscle atrophy हो गई थी और किसी काम के बीच में हुआ था. They even considered firing me, but I was so good that they couldn't fire with whatever I thought. So anyway, they were gracious enough to allow me to sort of consult. Luckily, I found a very good surgeon, Dinsha Padiwala, who took wonderful care of me. He's one of the best in the country.
Yes.
Very well-known surgeon. Neeraj Chopra.
Yeah, some sports person के भी
A lot of cricket players. So वो नाम सुन के वो लोग हाँ अच्छा ठीक है अच्छा सर्जन है. फिर मेरी जॉब बच गई. ठीक है. तो but after that it was. So I think मर्द को दर्द नहीं होता really was a restart moment for me to do something as fantastic as that, and also it was challenging both physically also, and also it was a double role. So वो पैर पूरा heal नहीं हुआ था. वो process चल रहा था. Like when we started shooting, when I started training for मर्द को दर्द नहीं होता, it was in July, and I had my surgery in March. I was still in the recovery process, and then I just went and told my physiotherapist कि मैं ये कर रहा हूँ, आप लोग देख लेना. So they had to tailor a certain regimen for me to follow that would help me. And they met the action guy. They gave them some feedback as to what I can do, what I can't do. So that was my restart moment. I really felt like I had stopped. Pause button दब गया था. फिर restart. Thanks to Vasa. Thank you, Vasa.
काफी बार आई थिंक हमारी इंडस्ट्री में ऐसे भी होता है कि आपका कोई नया काम आता है और आपको एक बहुत अच्छी लेवल पे एक्सेप्टेंस मिलता है, फिर आपको लगता है वो अब एक नया रीस्टार्ट हुआ है.
आपका विंडोज का सॉफ्टवेयर
विंडोज है. So I think restart तो काफी बार होता है. There is a setback and then you start again, and there is a setback and you start again. So I think ऐसे काफी बार हुआ है हर काम से पहले, हर ब्रेकअप के बाद. तो रीस्टार्ट चलता रहता है, स्टॉप एंड रीस्टार्ट
चलता रहता है. You want to like just briefly share anything without getting too private or too revealing? There's something that was a difficult to restart. Like oh shit, I don't know how I'm going to restart.
I think हुआ था. I mean, in all honesty, एकदम जैसे आपको लगे कि यार अब क्या करें, क्या थोड़ा यहाँ से कैसे बढ़े, हुआ था. I think एक ब्रेकअप के बाद जब ऐसा लगा कि यार ये तो सोचा था कि दिस इज इट वाला होता है ना कि ये फुल स्टॉप था. अब फुल स्टॉप के बाद डॉट 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 आगे बढ़ना है. एक फुल स्टॉप के आगे फुल स्टॉप लगा के वो कंटिन्यू है जर्नी.
मतलब आपने शाहरुख खान को बुक कर लिया था शादी पे डांस करने के लिए।
हाँ
इतनी आगे बढ़ चुकी थी बात।
हाँ बढ़ ही जाते हो ना कभी कभी आप दिमाग में जब फैमिलीज इन्वॉल्व हो जाती हैं तो आई थिंक वो था वो टाइम था जब ऐसा लगा था कि अब
बट
रीस्टार्ट करना पड़ेगा तो आई थिंक विपासना रियली हेल्प मी क्योंकि मैं उसके बाद विपासना के लिए चली गई थी और दैट दोस 10 days really were like a restart they were like 10 दिन आप जब किसी से बात नहीं करते कोई डिस्ट्रैक्शन नहीं है तो आई थिंक you just get so much time to reflect on everything and then you realize that whatever happened for good and why it's not right to go back वो नहीं तो वो back and forth चलता रहता है ना कभी ना कभी एक्स के साथ वो back and forth हुआ ही नहीं
वो तो टाइम ही नहीं देता आपको स्कोप ही नहीं है क्योंकि ये सब बंद है
नहीं बिकॉज़ आपको 10 दिन में समझ भी आ गई ना बहुत सारी बातें
कहाँ पे गई थी आपको के पास
इधर ही हो राइट What is your opinion on character actors?
My opinion, I think as a category, it doesn't make any sense.
I
Play
agree.
characters, everybody play characters. And sometimes people find those characters within themselves. Or sometimes people are playing the same character. That's also okay because it can be fun. Or it can be very popular.
I think इसको character actor को इस वे में कह रहे हैं कि जो स्टार नहीं है या जो लीड नहीं है वो बाकी सारे
That's what I
कैरेक्टर
said. As a category, na. If it's a category, it's a terminology to sort of define actors or compartmentalize actors, and I think I don't particularly subscribe to it.
Yeah, not why, but what any opinion on it?
That's my opinion. Unpopular. Because award तो character actor करके बढ़ता है. मेरा opinion unpopular.
What do you think? Are you a character actor?
Popular awards में तो supporting actor ऐसे सब.
Nah, that's true. When was the last time you had a breakup?
Yeah, recently in March when I lost my baby Ira.
Yes.
My lovely cat who was there with, for nearly 13 years with me. So yeah, 12 something. That was a difficult news. I'm still holding it. Tough news. Uska funeral. I mean, she breathed her last breath. I saw her take her last breath. I could see that she didn't breathe. I didn't break down immediately, but I was holding everything together. Funeral के बाद घर वापस आके I just.
I saw you through that phase.
Yeah,
you have to know that ये bad cop shoot कर रहे थे तभी और I think अगले दिन या उसके अगले दिन ये पूरी सूजी हुई आंखों के साथ आए थे. His eyes were just swollen. It was quite bad. So I.
Even like it was very difficult. Even on set also कि I just wanted to like just go home and cry. It was tough. It's a couple of weeks.
So likewise, I lost Danny, my dog, and it happened. It's very funny because वो एकदम ठीक था और हमने शूट खत्म किया और मैंने टर्की का प्रोग्राम बनाया और मैं जिस दिन निकली उस दिन उसका ऐसे हल्का सा ऐसे मोच जैसे वो आ रहा था मॉम को बताने कि मेरे पाँव में कुछ लगी है तो उस दिन ऐसे थोड़ा सा डाउन था और मैं गई थी 12 दिन के लिए और मैं वापस आई वो नहीं.
Yeah, but it's terrible because you weren't even there.
And my parents didn't tell me till the last minute because उनको लगा कि अब ठीक हो जाएगा. Who expects कि मतलब he wasn't even old या ऐसी कोई बीमारी नहीं थी उसको. मुझे बहुत लास्ट मिनट पे बताया and then फिर जब वो सडनली चला गया तो फिर वहीं पे मुझे लगता है एक रात तो मैं बिल्कुल भी नहीं सो पाई जिस रात तो गया.
But it's important to grieve, no? Because नहीं तो वो अंदर वो like turns into something else. Like it can make you sick also. I think. रो दो फिर खत्म करो. जितना रोना है रो लो. With the intention that okay fine, we will get better. We will move on. What is alive will not be alive someday.
Yeah, that is also acceptance.
It is acceptance. But you should grieve properly. I think.
Yeah.
Suppress नहीं करना चाहिए बहुत से. When weakness usually is associated with being weak. I can understand why also, but क्योंकि चकाया होता है ना सबके लिए. For some people, सब कुछ कर नहीं पाते. So हिम्मत रखो, धीरज रखो इसलिए I think people say. But still you have to find a way to make that grief.
Yeah. No, I think it's important to cry. So do you think it's difficult for men to cry?
I think so. For me it wasn't so easy, so difficult to cry. I used to cry like that. I used to make fun of. मतलब थोड़े बड़े बुजुर्ग लोग थोड़ा डांट देते थे कि क्या है ऐसे रो रहा है. It's a very like it's associated with कि लड़कियों की तरह रो रहा है ऐसे वैसे. And sometimes even the women also used to like.
लड़कियों की तरह होता है ऐसा.
ऐसा बोल देते थे. हमारे एक टर्म है अड़मुंजी. मतलब cry face.
क्या है?
अड़मूंजी.
अड़मुंजी.
मूंजी मतलब face थोड़ा.
अड़मुंजी.
अड़मूंजी.
अड़मूंजी.
So एक रोंदू face. वैसे थोड़ा चिढ़ाते थे. तो फिर भी मैं रोता था. I never really, of course I was embarrassed कि ऐसे चिढ़ाते थे तो like that, but I think I don't particularly, I mean I do feel a little conscious to sort of break down and cry in front of other people and things like that, but I do find a way to sort of not suppress it. मतलब inappropriately कहीं पे भी आप रोने लगो तो it can be very uncomfortable for people also. They don't know how to handle it. So
That's true.
Yeah, so that's okay.
A lot of the people that ask you how are you don't really want to know how you are.
Yeah.
They just
But
want
it's
to.
just a-
They just want to hear, yeah, I'm good.
तो
Yeah,
hi
I'm good."
बोले जैसे ना hello
हाँ.
बोले जैसा it's okay. I'm not so judgmental about that thing. But yeah, there is a certain conditioning I think that both men and women have that we receive from the society that this is how men behave and this is how women behave, and then from a young age I think we kind of inherit that. Some things do make sense, but a lot of them are pressure. And pressure. So and men have their fair share of pressures which we don't realize is really tying us down. It's not freeing us emotionally also. So when you're in a relationship or in a marriage, that really gets in the way of having a fulfilling relationship because they want to, you can't do that. Subconsciously or consciously also things get in the way. So I think that also, that being able to cry or just allowing yourself to cry and grieve
Express
is
feeling.
not necessarily you being weak. Maybe you're being weak at that moment, but that doesn't mean that as a person you will become
Yeah.
this segment really enjoyable. I really enjoyed this segment so much. It was so,
That's a character actor guy.
it was hilarious.
So this is such a lovely segment. I really enjoyed it.
You should watch Bad Cop
And you should
on
watch
Disney
Friends.
Plus Hotstar. Please like, share and
Subscribe.
do.
We are Yuva.